Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 12-volt car heater is probably one of the most convenient gadgets for those chilly mornings or long winter drives. These compact devices plug directly into your car's 12-volt outlet, providing instant warmth without the need to wait for your car's engine to heat up. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, a 12-volt car heater can significantly enhance your comfort and safety on the road. Number 5. JEGS 12-volt UTV Heater. Tired of the cold? This 12-volt heater from JEGS delivers 28,000 BTUs of heat. It's designed to keep you comfortable in your UTV, truck, or van. With 260 CFM airflow, this heater quickly warms up the space. The 3-speed fan allows you to control the intensity of the heat, ensuring your comfort. The compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces. It's ideal for UTVs, tractors, and other vehicles where space is limited. It's easy to install. Built to last, this heater features heavy-duty, injection-molded construction. The tube and fin heater core design ensures efficient and reliable performance. The heater comes with a mountable switch and dual front vents for easy use. It requires external grounding and has 5/8 heater hose connections. It's a great addition to any vehicle. What we like. This heater delivers a powerful 28,000 BTUs of heat, ensuring you stay warm even in the coldest conditions. Its compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces, like a tractor cab. If you're looking for a reliable and space-saving heating solution, you should consider this. What people say. Output air is 120 degrees. Low setting more than enough to heat the skid steer cab with windows and a door. I get lots of heat from this unit and I am happy with my purchase. Puts out plenty of heat. Super easy to install. Number 4. Haofy PTC 12V Ceramic Car Heater. Introducing the Haofy PTC Car Air Heater. This compact heater is designed for various applications, providing efficient and portable heating solutions. It's perfect for your car, truck, or other small spaces. This versatile heater can be used in heaters, humidifiers, and dehumidifiers. It's widely applicable in vehicles and other appliances. Its portability makes it easy to carry and use wherever you need it. The Haofy heater is a small space heater, ideal for spaces up to 0.5 cubic meters. Its compact design ensures high-quality performance in your daily life. It's suitable for various applications like 3D printers. Safety is a priority with its insulation design. It offers constant temperature heating and a high thermal conversion rate. This heater heats up quickly and has a long service life. It also features a quiet design, so you don't have to choose between warmth and peace. The heater maintains stable performance, with power attenuation less than 10% after 2,000 hours of use. For larger spaces, you can install multiple units. It uses high-quality components for reliable operation. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not happy with it, please contact us for a replacement or refund. Remember to keep the components away from liquids and dust to prevent damage. What we like. This ceramic space heater is designed for portability and efficiency. Its small size makes it easy to move around. If you need a compact and energy-saving heater for small spaces, this is a great choice. What people say. I put this little heater in the battery bay of my RV, recently installed LiFePA 4 batteries in my RV and I use this heater to keep the bay above freezing. I used a temperature-controlled switch to activate it. Used a 10-amp fuse on my 12V panel and it's pulling between 60 to 80 watts. Really happy with its performance. Works great in an incubator. This is the second unit I have purchased for DIY incubators. These heat up quick on 12V. I highly recommend for heating tiny areas. Number 3. XuSha 12V Hydronic Heater. Introducing the XuSha 12V Hydronic Heater. This compact heater is designed for cars, trucks, boats, and RVs, providing warmth wherever you go. With 8,500 BTU of heat and a 3-speed fan, it quickly warms up the interior. This heater ensures you stay comfortable even in the coldest conditions. The heater is easy to install and mount. You will need a 5/8-inch inner diameter water hose for setup. This heater is perfect for increasing the car's temperature, warming your feet, and defrosting windows. It's a versatile solution for various vehicles. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will respond within 12 hours. What we like. This hydronic heater provides 8,500 BTU of heat, keeping you warm in various vehicles. The 3-speed fan allows you to adjust the airflow to your preference. If you need a versatile heater for your car, truck, boat, or RV, you should consider this. What people say. Works great and perfect amount of heat for a '99 Dodge Ram extended cab. Took about 2 hours to install. Easy install. Really pumps out the heat. Easy to fit, puts out a lot of heat, good quality. Number 2. Auto 4-port compact heater kit for trucks. This compact heater kit is designed for universal use in trucks, minivans, and more. It's easy to install and provides efficient heating, making it a great addition to various vehicles. The heater operates on 12V and draws 8A. It's made of durable copper and iron materials, weighing about 3 kilograms. Its compact size makes it suitable for various applications. Installation is straightforward. You just need to connect it to the water tank and power supply. It comes with mounting brackets and a control switch for easy operation. The package includes the heater itself, along with black tubes, T-fittings, mounting brackets, a switch, straight fittings, and hose clamps. Everything you need is included. Connect the red wire to the positive poles of the power supply and motor. The blue wire goes to the motor's negative pole, and the black wire connects to the power supply's negative pole. This heater is suitable for trucks, minivans, excavators, harvesters, and tricycles. It's a versatile solution for keeping you warm in various vehicles. What we like. This heater is incredibly easy to install, requiring only connection to your water tank and power supply. It's designed for universal use in trucks, minivans, and more. If you're looking for a straightforward and complete heating solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a perfect option for my pickup, opposed to installing a new heater core. Works very good. Number 1. JEGS UTV Heater, 12V 300 CFM. This JEGS automotive heater provides 40,000 BTUs of heat and 300 CFM airflow to keep you warm. It's designed to quickly heat up small cabs, ensuring comfort in your UTV. The compact design makes it perfect for limited spaces, such as UTV or tractor cabs. This heater is built to fit where you need it most, providing efficient heating without taking up too much room. This 12-volt heater features a long-lasting 3-speed motor. You can easily adjust the fan speed to quickly heat up the cab, providing the perfect temperature for any condition. Built with heavy-duty injection-molded and glass-filled nylon, this heater is made to last. Its durable tube and fin core design ensures long-lasting performance, even in tough conditions. The JEGS UTV heater operates on 12V and includes a 3-speed blower. It requires external grounding and draws low amps on the low setting, medium amps on the medium setting, and high amps on the high setting. What we like. This heater offers a massive 40,000 BTUs of heat and 300 CFM airflow, ensuring rapid and effective heating. The heavy-duty construction guarantees durability and long-lasting performance. If you like maximum warmth and robust build quality, you should consider this. What people say. This unit is pleasantly quiet and blows a lot of heat. I have it on a thermostat in my Sprinter van conversion and it works perfect on the low fan setting. I am sure the high fan would heat an uninsulated bus. Provides great heat and 3 hose connected directly to my defroster. I capped one off and the other I ran a hose for floor heat. Works great and keeps me warm driving around with my window open in sub-freezing weather. Cabin is 13 foot by 20 foot, heats efficiently with no problems. Motor and fan are quiet but deliver a good volume of heat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.